Oh, what do we have here? Tangerine Pomegranate Champagne. You see the little champagne seeds floating around in this bad boy, up and down. Super cool. Okay, so we get some tangerine juice. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, then we grab our flutes. All right, well, before we grab our flutes, ice. Get the tangerine juice in there. Okay, come behind some fresh squeezed lime juice. Come behind with a little bit of simple syrup, a little bit of pomegranate juice just to sweeten things up. Pomegranate juice kind of tart, sometimes. Okay, and so we pour that into our flutes. Beautiful, okay. Now we come behind and we top that with champagne, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. Loving the color on this. Because if you're looking at that, you wonder what's going on. And as it settles, you drop in some pomegranate seeds and they bounce around a little bit. They go down and then they come up. It looks magical. So I'm pushing the seeds down and then you look and they take a little minute and then they begin to float back up, okay? So you could serve it. Watch. They're going to start moving. Well, the video's done, but they're going to move.